Filled with the goodness of lentils and roasted until golden, these stuffed eggplants are a tasty, meat-free main. Prepare the eggplants by using a knife to cut the eggplants in half lengthways, and then score a diamond pattern on the flesh, being careful to not cut all the way through. Sprinkle with salt and place cut side down on a wire rack for 30 minutes. This will draw out the moisture and helps make the flesh softer. Rinse and pat dry with paper towel. Use a spoon to scoop out the eggplant flesh, leaving a 1 centimetre thick shell. Then finely chop the flesh. To cook the filling, heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the onion and cook, stirring until light golden. Add the garlic, cumin, coriander, paprika and cinnamon and cook, stirring until it's aromatic. Stir in the eggplant flesh and cook, stirring occasionally until tender. Then add the lentils, tomatoes and stock powder. Stir to combine and let it come up to a simmer. Stir in the basil and season. Remove from heat. Time to get filling. Place the eggplant shells, cut side up, on trays lined with baking paper. Spoon the lentil mixture even among the shells. Cover tightly with foil and pop in a preheated 200°C oven and bake for 45 minutes. Remove foil and sprinkle with the cheddar and panko crumbs. Return to the oven and bake until the eggplants have softened and the topping is golden brown. To serve, sprinkle with some lemon zest, spinach leaves and fresh chilli. These stuffed eggplants are so delicious. You can also swap the eggplants for zucchini if you have them on hand.